Good morning. In this moment, we are in the Irazu Volcano National Park. My name is Wendy and my partner Gilberth, and we are going to be your tour guides today. First, this national park is located 31 kilometers north of the city of San Rafael de Oriamuno, Cartago.
Excuse me, when the Irazu Volcano National Park was created.
Well, the Irazu Volcano National Park was created on July 3, 1955. This beautiful national park has an area of about 5,000 acres and measures some 11,260 feet above sea level. Something important is that this volcano experienced a period of intense activity which destroyed the peaks surrounding and seriously affect the cities of Cartago and San Jose.
Sir, excuse me, what about the flora and fauna of this national park?
Its flora diversity is characterized by a low-level vegetation, generally with small, thick, hard leaves, with unique species such as myrtle trees, common groundsels, aracachillo, low shrubs, poor man's umbrella, and trees species like oak and salvia. In the fauna, its quality important that thrivers in the forest with such bird species as the sooty robin, the sooty capped bush tanager, the rufous colored sparrow, the volcano junco, as well as mammals, also to a much lesser extent such as coyotes, rabbits, armadillos, coatis, gray foxes, and pocket gophers. Okay, people, to complete this part of the tour, the Irazu National Park volcano has two scenic and impressive areas, the crater and crucial areas. Uh, there are five craters here to observe, two of which are located at the entrance near to the ticket booth, and the other three at the peak. In the other scenic part of the volcano is the crucial sector. Here you can walk along the Cajeta and El Bajo La Laguna trails, where the Reventado River begins. So people, please follow the tour guides. Have a nice, good tour. Okay. So everybody, welcome to the first point of this national park. You can see the beautiful landscape of this volcano. The first craters is in front of you. This is so interesting point of this national park.
Okay, this is the first crater and is the smaller crater and it is called Diego de la Haya.
Who is Diego de la Haya?
Well, first, in this place, the first eruption was documented by Diego de la Haya that he was governor of Cartago from 1963 to 1965. And other important characteristic about this crater is that it is an inactive crater and it is about 600 meters diameter and 100 meters depth. Okay, this is the most important crater in this volcano. It is called the main crater and also it is the largest crater of this volcano. It is about 985 feet depth and the diameter is 5,444 feet. It has a beautiful green crater lake, but depending on minerals concentrations, the lagoon can also change its color. It has a circular shape. Something important is that the first documented eruption was in 1723, and the last time that Irazu volcano erupted was in 1994. On December 8, 1994, there was a periodic explosion on the north wall of the main crater. The Irazu is an active stratovolcano.
What is a stratovolcano?
That means that it has different layers of volcanic materials.
Okay. The other important thing about this main attraction in the rainy season in this national park, at the bottom of this crater will form a small lagoon for the steady accumulation of rainwater a lot. So go to the next point of this national park. Okay, people. In this moment, we are in the Playa Hermosa Sea Point. This is a very interesting place of this national park because in the rainy season, this part of the sea point have a lot of accumulation of rainwater. For this reason, has a similarity to the beach. For this reason, we have this name. Um, the other interesting characteristic is the little vegetation of this sea point. So,
I had heard of a legend in this volcano. Do you know something of that?
well, this national park have a very singular legend. Many years ago, before the Spaniards arrived to Costa Rica and Juan Vasco de Coronado founded Cartago, the Great Palenques were reside in the northern and southern parts of the region of the Valley of Huarco. The northern part was ruled by a chief called Co, with power and application to agriculture. The southern part, the ruler Huarco cacique thus occupied. Huarco and Co argued a struggle for the control of the entire territory, the central valley of Huarco. The struggle was great, little by little. Huarco was defeating the resistance of Co until this died and left in command to Akitawa, which was vigorous and strong warrior. When he saw that he was going to defeat by Huarco, took his daughter Iztaru, led to the highest mountain in the northern part of the region, and the sacrifice to the gods, imploring the eye for war. Well, in the two battle with Huarco, Akitawa began to hope of Iztaru's sacrifice. The highest mountain fire came out as a stone and fell on the warriors of Huarco, who fled. The sight of the mount came on the stream that became hot water destroying the palenques of Huarco. A curse raged, and it was said that the inhabitants of Huarco would work the land, making in this his own rules. The village was called then the Carta, the Norwegian cut, and the high mountain Irazu Volcano.
So, we just arrived to the highest point of this volcano. Something important is that the Irazu is the highest volcano in Costa Rica, and also it is the second highest point of Costa Rica. It has an altitude about 11,260 feet, that is like 3,432 meters. This point is a strategic point for the country's telecommunications. As we can see, all the big main crater here and all the sky and clouds over there, and also it is amazing and very peaceful place.
Okay, people, thanks for joining this tour. This is the Irazu Volcano National Park. So have a nice day and thanks for coming with us.